I know that you have come here to enjoy cricket. The performance will be shown in the next 5 days. But what is Goa? Goa is the land of Parshuram. One side you will see the Western Ghats, and other side you will see the nice Arabian Sea, which will be having almost about 8 nice beaches. It is really wonderful that this year this tournament is being held in Goa, and I congratulate Blind Association for organizing this tournament in Goa. I also formally agree what he said, President of Blind Association, that Goa Sports Department should help. But you know, they approached the government just 4 or 5 days back. May they have approached 15 days earlier, I would have helped them. But still, I know that we have help from our side. Definitely in next future tournament, whichever they organize in Goa will be taken up to the government, and also government definitely will help them. I again congratulate all the players, managers of the team, and also request that please, discipline is the first. Keep it in mind. Just now, Mr. Maltesh has told that I came at 9:30. I have been called at 9:30. I was sharp at 9:29. So let us start with discipline so that everything will be well.
Triangular series is happening in Goa, India, England, Sri Lanka are playing, and the main objective behind this is to promote game to different places, take this game to new cities, invite more people from those cities so that they get to know how blind play cricket, and also visually impaired of that particular city, that particular state should also get chance to play cricket. And the Triangular series also is significant because of two other main reasons. One, they are soon coming out with Cricket League for the blind. So England and Sri Lanka are two other top teams along with India and Pakistan. So we are spotting talent for this Cricket League. So we'll be observing players from these two countries along with India. And the other main reason is we have started spotting young talent for the upcoming World Cup in 2020. That is third T20 World Cup, and also 6th ODI happening in 2022. We want to constantly develop the new talent, give opportunities for them. So more triangular series, bilateral series should happen. So Goa has been a great host, Goa Cricket Association. Wonderful support we are getting from them. So I am very, very happy that it is happening. I invite Goans to come in large number, cheer our teams, especially Indian team and other teams also. They are going to be playing matches every day from 11 at Goa Cricket Association grounds. So the reasons why we are here is, in Goa, blind cricket has not happened in the past. In 1999, we did the South Zone. So after a gap of 19 years, we are doing something like this. And organizing an international tournament is a different feeling. So we wanted to give that feeling for ourselves. Goa is a favorite destination for everybody, not only Indians, everybody. So our British, English friends demanded, they wanted to come and spend time in Goa and also play cricket. And we want to get opportunity for Goan visually impaired to play this game. So, and Goans to watch this game.